Dear friends, today we are going to learn partnership accounts. Friends, we have been doing problems on partnership, basics and introduction. So far we have done 2 problems. Now we will see the third problem. M and K are partners. As per terms of agreement, interest is allowed on capital at 10% per annum and charge on drawings at 8% per annum. M withdrew 60,000 per month at the end of each month and K withdrew 1,80,000 at the end of each quarter. You are required to fill the missing figures in the following accounts. So, they have given you the profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending December 31, 2020. Lot of missing figures. In fact, everything is missing. Only the interest on capital for M 2 lakh is there. Profit transferred to capital account for K 1/3 3 lakh is there. All other informations are missing figures here. So, what is this 2 question mark? What could be that? It could probably be salary payable to a partner. And you have to find out what is the interest on capital to the other partner K. What is the profit share due to M? Very easily you can calculate, because K is entitled to 1/3 of the profit, which is 3 lakh. Then what could be 2/3? Like that. Then what is the interest on drawing? The drawings amount is already given in the question. You have to apply and calculate it and put it. Once you do that, you may get the profit for the year as a balancing figure. So, now we will go to the next one. Partners capital account is also given. In that also we have lot of missing figures to be filled up. Only one information given, that is salary to M, 3,60,000 is given. So, look at the problem comprehensively. They have given you the Piandl Appropriation account. Most of the items are missing figures. They have given you the partners capital account. Only one information is given. They have asked you to calculate interest on capital, interest on drawings, etc. That has to be incorporated in the profit and loss appropriation account as well as in the partners capital account. For doing this problem, you need to have a clear understanding about Piandl Appropriation account and partners capital account. In the Piandl Appropriation account, you will have on the credit side the profit made for the year, followed by interest on drawings. On the debit side, you will have salary payable to partners, if any, interest on capital, and then any transfer to general reserve. Balance will be the divisible profits, which will be shared by the partners in their profit sharing proportion. That is the idea of a Piandl Appropriation account. That is a format in which it is normally presented. Similarly, in a partners capital account, we start with the opening balance. Interest on capital, salary, profit share will be credited. Drawings, interest on drawings, if any, will be debited. So, if you are clear about all these things, you know what should appear where. Accordingly, you can fill up the missing figures. Not only that, we should also be able to calculate interest on capital, interest on drawings. Very simple. You have to apply the formula for simple interest. Interest on capital is normally given on the opening balance. So, what is the opening balance? That itself we do not know. So, probably interest on capital is given, rate is given. You will have to calculate the opening balance based on that. For example, what is the formula for interest on capital? Capital opening balance multiplied by the rate. Rate is given in the question, but opening balance is not given. Suppose if interest was given, capital into rate is equal to amount of interest. If interest is given, you divide the interest by the rate, you will get the capital. Like that, some reverse working may have to be done. Similarly, they are given salary for one partner, other partner they have not given. We have to see whether there is anything to be done. Interest on drawings. It is given in the problem how much is drawn by the partners. One partner draws 60,000 every month at the end of every month. Another partner draws 1,80,000 end of every quarter. So what is the total amount drawn by them? What is the interest on drawings on that? That also we have to calculate. So once you are able to calculate the salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings, the profit share is actually given to some extent. Out of two partners, partner K is entitled to 1/3 of the profits. That 1/3 of the profit is given as 3 lakhs. So if K, whose profit sharing is 1/3, is 3 lakh, what will be M share? It will be double of that, is it not? Like that we have to calculate that, and when you incorporate salary, interest on capital, interest on drawings, as well as the profit share, probably you will get the profit earned in this year as a balancing figure. And from the Piandl Appropriation account, we have to record the items in the partner's capital account. If you do that, you will be able to determine the closing balance of partner's account and also whatever the profit made by the firm during the particular year. Now this is how we are going to solve this problem. Let us see how to solve it. We will go to the Excel sheet to see the solution now. Friends, we have seen the question problem number 3. Now we are going to see how to solve the problem. They have asked you to fill in the missing figures. The missing figures should be filled in number 1, the Piandl Appropriation account, and number 2, the partner's capital account. Whatever information is already given, that will appear as it is. For example, in the Piandl Appropriation account, they are given interest on capital for M, 2 lakh is already given. And the profit transferred to K, 3 lakh is already given. No other informations are given. Similarly, in the partner's capital account, the salary to M only is given. So whatever is already given will appear as it is, but we have to determine the other things. So let's do it in the proper format. Date, particulars and so on. Put it carefully and correctly. Partner's capital account, let's put all the headings correctly. Now we will see what is the opening balance given in partner's capital account. Actually, nothing is given. We have to find out. There is a question mark in the opening balance of capital account. What is the way to find it out? See, in this problem they have given you what is the interest on capital for M. How much is that? That is 2 lakh. That is already given in the question. According to the problem, interest on capital is to be allowed at 10% per annum. So if interest on capital at 10% per annum is 2 lakh, what will be the capital? You know, interest is equal to capital into rate. So capital into 10% will give you 2 lakhs. So what will be the capital? You have to divide the interest by 10%, you will get the capital of M, correct? So from that you can calculate the capital of M is 20 lakhs, 2 lakh divided by 10%. They have also given you the total interest, which is 3,60,000, but K's interest is not given. See, is it not very simple? Total interest is 3,60,000, interest to M is 2 lakh, what is the interest on capital to K? For that purpose, I have just prepared a small working note. Easy calculation. What is interest on capital to K? The total interest given in the problem is 3,60,000. In that, what is interest for M? Given in the question 2 lakh. Therefore, K's interest on capital will be 1,60,000. It's a very elementary one. Total interest is 360. Interest to M is 2. So, balance has to be interest on capital to K. So, whether to prepare a working note for that, if time permits you can do, otherwise you can directly write it. So, K's interest on capital is 1,60,000. If K's interest on capital is 1,60,000, what will be the capital of K? 10% on capital is equal to 1,60,000. Therefore, what will be the capital of K? Divide 1,60,000 by 10%, you will get the capital of K. So, now we have filled up the opening balance. So, opening capital of M is 20 and K is 16. Here they have given you the salary that is already filled up. Salary of which partner is given? For M only it is given, which is 3,60,000. So, where will you put the salary? In the debit of the Piandl Appropriation account to salary M. It seems they have not given salary to K at all. Salary is given to M only. So, therefore, in K's account it will be 0. No balance in K's account. Now, on the other side, we are asked to find what is the profit for the year. That it's not given in the question. We have to calculate that as a balancing figure. But what else we have to find out? We have to find out interest on drawings, which will be credited to the Piandl Appropriation account and debited to the partner's account. Now friends, first of all we should find out what is the drawing by the partners. It is given in the problem M withdrew 60,000 per month at the end of each month. So, every month M draws 60,000. Therefore, what will be the total drawing of M? It will be 7,20,000. 60,000 into 12. What about K? K draws 1,80,000 end of each quarter. So, 4 times in a year K draws money, but 1,40,000. So, multiply by 4. K's drawing is also 7,20,000. So, M has drawn 60,000 a month, K has drawn 1,80,000 at the end of every quarter. What will be the interest on drawings? As you know, if a partner withdraws an amount regularly at regular frequency, it is easy to calculate interest on drawings. Particularly in this problem, M has withdrawn at the end of every month 60,000. So, how do you calculate the interest? Total drawing is 7,20,000. Rate of interest is 8%. So, multiply 7,20,000 by 8%. And how many months you have to calculate? When a same amount is drawn at the end of every month, we have to calculate interest for 5.5 months. You can easily get the amount of interest on drawing. So, therefore, let us do that. Interest on drawing. How much for M? How much for K? So, M has withdrawn 7,20,000 in total, 8% per annum. Since he draws at the end of every month, you have to calculate interest for 5.5 months. Therefore, interest on drawing for M will be 26,400. That we have to put it here, 26,400. What about K? K has withdrawn 7,20,000 but not end of every month, 1,80,000 end of every quarter. So, if the accounting period is January to December, 31st March, 30th June, 30th September and 31st December, these are the dates on which Mr. K has drawn 1,80,000 each. So, if a person draws same amount at the end of every quarter, you have to calculate interest for 4.5 months by using product method. Very simple. Suppose Mr. K draws 1,80,000 on 31st March. From 31st March to December, how many months? 9 months. Again he draws 1,80,000 on 30th June. How many months? June to December, 6 months. Again 30th September, 1,80,000, 3 months. Then final drawing is on 31st December, 3 months. So 9 months, 6 months, 3 months, 0 months. What is the average? It is 4.5 months. So therefore, when a partner draws a same amount end of every quarter, you have to calculate interest for 4.5 months. So in the case of K, that is how we have to do the calculation. 7,20,000 into 8% into 4.5 by 12, that is equal to 21,600. Hence, the interest on drawings to K will be 21,600. So now we have determined what is interest on drawing for M and for K. Find the total, which is 48,000 rupees. This interest on drawing is to be debited to the partner's capital account. So debit to interest on drawings. 26,400 to M, 21,600 to K. So we have filled up this also. So salary is filled up, opening balance filled up. Interest on capital should be credited to the partner's account, is it not? So on the credit side of the partner's account, by interest on capital, for M 2 lakh, for K 1,60,000. Then what else? Profit share is given in the question. So what is the profit share? For one partner they are given. For M we do not know, but for K it is given in the question, that is 3 lakh rupees. But what is K's share? K's share is 1/3. If 1/3 of the profit is 3 lakh, what will be M's share? M share is 2/3. That means it will be 2 times of what K gets. So if K gets 3 lakh, M will get 6 lakh. That is the total divisible profit. Is it not? So the total profit is 9 lakh. In that 1/3 goes to K 3 lakh. Therefore 2/3 will go to M 6 lakh. This is the profit share distributed to the partners. So we have to put it in the partners capital account as by Piandl Appropriation account. How much? 6 lakh for M and 3 lakh for K. So that is also filled up. Now salary, interest on capital, profit share, interest drawing, everything is there. So therefore, if you find the total, you can easily determine the profit for the year. So find the total on the debit side, put the same total on the other side, minus 48,000 will be the profit made by the business for that year, which is 15,72,000. Now have we completed the P&L appropriation account? Salary is recorded, interest on capital is recorded, interest on drawing is determined, profit shared to partners is recorded. So we found out the net profit as the balancing figure. So all the numbers are filled up. Similarly, when you come to the partners capital account, opening balance was not there, we found out. Salary was given, we recorded. We found interest on capital. we found what is a drawing, we determined the interest on drawing, we calculated the profit and loss appropriation due to the partners, all that is recorded. So, what is now pending? We have to find the closing balance of the partners capital account. Very simple, find the total, which is 31 lakh 60,000 for M and 20 lakh 60,000 for K. So, put the total and you can find the closing balance of the partners account. For M, the balance is 24 lakh 13,600. For K, it is 13 lakh 18,400. So, therefore, that is the closing balance of the capital account in the partners capital. So, we have now filled up all the information. If you refer the question, these information were missing, we have recorded that, and this information missing, we recorded that, these two informations missing, all that we recorded, is it not? So, therefore, friends, it is very easy for us to do this problem. So, have you understood the answer? Please see, have you understood the answer? Everything is clearly recorded. Very simple problem. Problems like this you may get for 5 to 6 marks in the examination. You can easily do it off in around 10 to 12 minutes. Friends, it was clear, that's my belief. Hope you understand. Let's go to the next problem. Friends, now we are going to see another problem on partnership, basics and introduction. This problem is based on guarantee of minimum profit. You might know that the partners normally share profits in the agreed proportion. But sometimes a particular partner may be guaranteed a minimum amount of profit by the other partners. In such a case, what should be done? First, we have to find out what is the actual profit share due to that particular partner who has been given a guarantee. Suppose the actual share of profit which is due to that partner is more than the guaranteed amount, then we don't make any adjustment at all. On the contrary, a partner may be guaranteed a certain amount as minimum profit, but his actual profit share may be less than that. That results in a deficiency to that partner. Now, in what proportion the deficiency shall be borne by the other partners? It depends upon the agreement. Sometimes the problem says the guarantee is given by the firm. That means it is borne by all the other partners in their mutual profit sharing ratio. But sometimes the problem may tell you guarantee is given by a particular partner only. Therefore, if any deficiency arises, it will be borne by that partner only. So, from this partner's capital account, you have to transfer the deficiency to the guaranteed partner's capital account. Sometimes the problem will tell you guarantee given by the other partners, but not in the mutual ratio, but in a certain other ratio. In that case, we have to find out what is the deficiency, and that shall be borne by the other partners in the given ratio in the problem. So, depending on that, we have to find out what is the profit share due to the guaranteed partner, what is the profit share which is available to the other partners. This problem is based on that only. Let us read the problem. L and M were partners in a firm, sharing profit loss in the ratio of 5:3. They admit C for 1/5 share in profits and guaranteed that his share of profit will not be less than 50 lakh. Total profits of the firm for the year ending 31st December 20 were 180 lakhs. Calculate the share of profit each partner. So, L and M were partners initially, they were sharing a ratio of 5:3, they admitted C. But on admission, C was guaranteed that he will get minimum profit of 50 lakhs per annum. Total profit for the particular year, that is year ending 31/12/20 is 180 lakhs. What will be the share of profit available to all the three partners L, M and C? How to calculate that? Let us see. Different situations are given when number 1, guarantee is given by the firm. Number 2, guarantee is given by L, that is the first partner only. Number 3, guarantee is given by L and M in the ratio of 3:2. So, 3 different situations are given. In the first case, it is given, guarantee is given by the firm. That means what? In the event of deficiency on the profit payable to C, the deficiency will be borne by all the other partners in their mutual profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3 in the problem. Whereas in the second case, guarantee is given by L. That means the event of any deficiency, the deficiency will be taken from L and given to C. The third situation, guarantee is given by L and M in the ratio of 3:2. So, you have to find out the deficiency. L and M both will bear the deficiency, but in the ratio of 3:2. We have to find out what is the deficiency to L, what is the deficiency to M. You have to transfer that balance from L and M to C. But ultimately, in all the 3 situations, the profit to C shall not be less than 50 lakhs. That is what we have to achieve. So, when a partner is given a guaranteed minimum profit, how to solve the problem? How to determine the share of profit? So, that is what we are going to see in this problem. Let us go to the Excel sheet to see how to solve problems like this. Yeah friends, let us now see how to solve problem number 4. We have already discussed what is to be done when guarantee of minimum profit is given to a certain partner. In this problem, 3 different situations are given. Guarantee given by the firm, guarantee given by only one of the partners, guarantee given by both but not in the normal profit sharing ratio, in a different sharing ratio. That is what given in the question. So, based on that, we are going to find out what is the actual share of profit to each partner after providing for the minimum profit that is guaranteed to Mr. C. So, how to present the solution? Case 1, guarantee given by the firm. So, prepare a statement like this: L, M, C total. What is the profit of the firm for this year? It is 180 lakhs or 1 crore 80 lakh. What we should do in this case is first to find out, based on their profit sharing ratio, what is their actual share of profit. See, in this problem, L and M were sharing the profits ratio of 5:3. That is the old profit sharing ratio. C is given 1/5 share. It can be written as 2/10. 1/5 can be written as 2/10. So, the new profit sharing ratio will be 5:3:2, because old ratio is 5:3 between L and M. When the new partner is given 2/10 of that, the balance 8 share of profit will be taken by L and M only in the ratio of 5:3 only. So, therefore, the new profit sharing ratio between L, M and C will be 5:3:2, because 1/5 can be written as 2/10. So, let us find out what is the actual profit share of the partners including C in the ratio of 5:3:2. So, what will be L share? 90 lakhs, because half of that 5/10. M share will be 3/10, that is 54 lakhs, and C share will be 2/10, that will be 36 lakhs. So, based on the information that is given in the question, C's share actually comes to 36 lakhs only, but according to the problem, C is guaranteed a minimum profit of 50 lakhs. it should not be less than 50 lakhs. But the actual profit share comes to 36 only. Is there any deficiency? Yes. He should be given 50, but he is getting only 36 actual profit share. So there is a deficiency of 14 lakhs. So what is the minimum profit guaranteed to C? It is 50 lakhs. Hence, the deficiency is 14 lakhs. In what proportion or who should bear the deficiency? In this case, it is given, the guarantee is given by the firm. It means, if there is any deficiency, it will be borne by all the other partners in their mutual profit sharing ratio. That means that 14 lakhs of deficiency will be borne by L as well as M in their profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3. So this 14 lakhs should be taken in the ratio of 5/8 from L and 3/8 from M and given to C. So shared by L and M in the ratio of 5:3. Therefore, what is L's share of deficiency? It will be 14 lakhs into 5/8, which comes to 8,75,000. And in the case of M, it is 5,25,000, which is 14 lakhs into 3/8. So the total deficiency is borne like this. Hence, now we can find out what is the share of profit to the partners. So for L, the profit share will be 90 lakhs minus 8,75,000, which is 81,25,000. For M, 54 lakhs minus 5,25,000, that is 48,75,000. And for C, it will be 50 lakhs. That is how the total profit of 180 lakhs is shared. So if the guarantee is given by the firm, all the remaining partners will share the deficiency in their mutual profit sharing ratio, which is 5:3 in this problem. 36 lakh is the actual profit share, but C is guaranteed minimum 50 lakhs, resulting in a deficiency of 14 lakhs, which will be borne by the other partners ratio of 5:3. Therefore, L's share of deficiency is 8,75,000, M is 5,25,000. So in the place of 90 lakhs, L will get only 81,25,000, M will get 48,75, and C will get 50. Find the total. It is 180 lakhs. This is how we have to share the profit of 180 lakhs between the partners. We have calculated that, but we have to show this in the P&L appropriation account, is it not? How to show it? Let us go to the P&L appropriation account to show how this is shown in the P&L appropriation account. Very simple. What is the profit? 180 lakhs. L share is 81.25, M share is 48.75, and C share is 50, total 180. How I got these numbers? I got these numbers from here. L 81.25, M 48.75, C 50. That is how the total profit of 180 lakhs is shared by the partners. So see that what is the minimum profit guaranteed to C? 50 lakhs. He is given 50 lakhs. This is the answer for the first situation where the guarantee is given by the firm. Second situation, guarantee is given by L. That means in the event of any deficiency, it will be borne by L only. M will not take part in the deficiency at all. Then how to get the answer for that? Let's go to the next situation. Guarantee given by L only. So put it in a proper format. Particulars, LMC. What is the actual profit share? It will be in the ratio of 5:3:2. Total profit is 180 lakhs. Therefore, L share will be 90, 54, 36, no change. But C is guaranteed minimum profit of 50 lakhs. But actual profit share comes to 36 only, resulting in a deficiency of 14 lakhs. According to the agreement, only L will bear the deficiency. That means the entire 14 lakhs will be taken from L's share of profit and given to C. So therefore, borne by L only. The entire 14 lakhs is deducted from L share. M will not bear any share, and now you can find out the share of profit. What will be the profit share available to L? 90 minus 14, 76 lakhs. M will get the entire 54 lakhs because he doesn't agree to share the guarantee. C will get 50 lakhs, total 180 lakhs. So when only one partner has agreed to bear the deficiency, very simply you have to directly take it from that particular partner's share of profit, give it to the guaranteed partner. So what is the journal entry you will pass? Very simple. In the second example, the journal entry will be L's capital account debit to M's capital account, because actual profit for C is 36 lakhs, but it should be given 50 lakhs. It should be taken entirely from L, the deficiency of 14 lakh. So what we should do? We have to debit L's capital 14 lakhs, credit C's capital 14 lakhs. So what will happen? L's profit share will get reduced to 76 lakhs, C's capital account profit will be credited by 50 lakhs. In the case of the first situation, we have to debit L 8,75,000, debit M 5,25,000, credit C 14 lakhs. That is how we should have made the journal entry. But journal entry was not asked in the question, we are not doing it. Now how do you present this in the Piandl Appropriation account? That's what we have to see now. So let's go to the Piandl Appropriation account for the second situation. See how simple. The profit is 1,80,000. So L gets 76 lakhs, M gets 54 lakhs, and C gets 50 lakhs. From where I got these numbers? I got these numbers from this calculation. L 76, M 54, C 50. What is the minimum profit guaranteed to C? 50 lakhs. Is it given? Yes, it is given. Whether the profit is completely shared among the partners? Yes. Who bears the deficiency? Only L. If the guarantee had not been given, L would have got a profit of 90 lakhs. But because L has guaranteed the entire deficiency, his profit share will get reduced by 14 lakhs. M will not bear any part of the deficiency. That is the answer for the second situation. Third one, guarantee given by L and M in the ratio of 3:2. So the same deficiency of 14 lakhs will be there, unlike the first situation where the guarantee is given by the firm. When the guarantee is given by the firm, both the partners will have to bear the deficiency in their mutual profit sharing ratio. But here, guarantee given by L and M, the ratio of 3:2. So therefore, we have to find out what is the deficiency. That deficiency will be borne by L and M in the ratio of 3:2. 3/5 of the deficiency will go to L, 2/5 will go to M. Then you will get what is the profit share available to L, M, and then C. So let's go to that working, the third situation. Guarantee given by L and M, the ratio of 3:2. As in the earlier situation, put it in a proper format. What is the actual profit share? The ratio of 5:3:2. L's share will be 90 lakhs. M share will be 54 lakhs. C share will be 36 lakhs. Is there any deficiency? Yes. C is guaranteed a minimum profit of 50 lakhs. but he is getting only 36, resulting in a deficiency of 14 lakhs. Who should bear the deficiency? Both L and M in the ratio of 3:2. So, therefore, you write shared by L and M, ratio 3:2. So, this 14 lakhs, 3/5 will be borne by L and 2/5 will be borne by M, that is 5,60,000. Therefore, what is the share of profit to the partners? L will get 90 minus 8,40,000, that is 8160. M will get 54 minus 5,60,000, that is 40,40,000. C will get 50 lakhs. Therefore, the total is 180 lakhs. So, third situation is very similar to the first one. The deficiency borne in the ratio of 5:3 is first situation, because the ratio of deficiency is not given, whereas in third situation ratio of deficiency is given. So, therefore, that 14 lakhs of deficiency shall be borne by L and M in the ratio of 3:2. That is what we have done. What is the journal entry in this case? Debit L's capital 8,40,000, M's capital 5,60,000, credit C's capital 14 lakhs. So, in the place of 90 lakhs, L will get only 8160. In the place of M 44 lakhs, he will get only 4840, but C, being the guaranteed partner, he will get 50 lakhs. So, you can see in all the three situations, whoever bears the deficiency, whether the firm or only one or both, in all the three situations you will find that the guaranteed partner C's share of profit is always 50 lakhs. So, whenever a guarantee of minimum profit is given, we shall do the answer in this manner. And of course, we have to finally show how to prepare the Piandl appropriation account in this situation, as we did in the earlier situation also. Very simple. Piandl appropriation account, credit the profit of 180, L share is 8160, we got it from here, M share is 4840 and C share is 50. That is how the 180 lakhs profit has been shared by the partners in the three given situations. Friends, it is a very simple problem. Maybe you will get 4 to 5 marks in the exam, and you should be able to do it very fast within 8 minutes or so. There are no complexity, no difficulty in this problem. The only thing is you have to calculate the actual share and the deficiency, if any, and then sharing of deficiency. So, because it is easy, do not be little bit lethargic and be casual. Please do it correctly. Easy problem, sometimes you are very casual, we make a lot of calculational errors. That we should avoid. That is what is my opinion. I hope it was clear to you, friends. With this, we come to the end of this session. About the other chapters, we will see in the upcoming sessions.